Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to become a Capcut template creator. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Facebook application and then search for a Facebook group or a Facebook group page for Capcut Creator PH official, or it depends on the country that you want to join a group page to. And then right after that, you'll just have to visit or join the group page. So you'll just have to explore and then choose a post or a video that, for example, you want to learn from that. So try to put a comment or send a private message to that specific creator. For example, you just have to type out, I want to be a CapCut editor. So when that creator see your comment, they'll be able to, oh, I'm sorry for the typo. So it's supposed to be letter B. So let's just edit our comment. Okay, so let's just press and hold and then click on edit. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is to search for the CapCut CapCut Philippines. So if you see a Facebook page or an official Facebook page of the CapCut group, you'll just have to send them a message. So for example, you're going to send I want to be a CapCut template editor. So when they see your message, they'll be able to send you a response of what are the things that you'll need to do. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.